Carlo Ancelotti, the current coach of Real Madrid, is facing legal issues related to a tax fraud case concerning his image rights. The case dates back to 2014 and 2015, when it is alleged that Ancelotti used offshore structures to conceal income derived from image rights, in order to avoid paying taxes in Spain. According to the Madrid Public Prosecutor's Office, Ancelotti allegedly evaded over €1 million in taxes during this period. This type of accusation is not isolated, as many footballers and public figures have been investigated for similar practices in the past, such as using companies in tax havens to avoid taxation in their country of residence. In Ancelotti's case, it is claimed that, through a complex network of companies, income was diverted to channels outside of Spain, evading the corresponding taxes. The prosecutor's office has requested a sentence of 4 years and 9 months in prison for Ancelotti if his guilt is confirmed in court. Additionally, a significant monetary fine has been requested, although the exact amount of the fine has not been made public yet. It's important to note that Ancelotti has defended his innocence at all times, stating that his fiscal situation was managed correctly and that he had no intention of evading taxes. His defense argues that any irregularities were misunderstandings or mistakes in the management process and that Ancelotti never intended to defraud the tax authorities. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, this matter has not yet impacted his role as Real Madrid's head coach. The club has shown support for Ancelotti, who remains the leader of the team on the pitch. However, the case is still ongoing, and key decisions may be made in the coming months that could influence his professional future, especially if the legal process leads to a definitive conviction. This situation highlights the growing scrutiny of public figures in the sports world, particularly regarding tax matters and compliance with tax laws, an issue that remains significant both in Spain and internationally. Ancelotti, one of the most successful and respected coaches in world football, could be affected by this legal process, although for now, his position at Real Madrid remains stable.